Friends to the bitter end. When you're alone, who comes around to pluck you up?
Give us a smile.
When you are down. And when you're outside looking in, who's there to open the door?
Come on, kid, we need a tenor.
What friends are for. Who's always eager to extend a friendly claw. That's what friends are for. And when you're lost, in dire need, who's at your side at lightning speed? We're friends with every creature coming down the pike. In fact, we've never met an animal we didn't like.
You take it, kid.
Didn't like. So you can see we're friends. We're friends in need and friends in need. Oh, friends indeed.
Take it easy, lads. Steady, steady.
Watch it forevermore.
That's what friends